Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Vaibhav. So in today's video, we are learning how to assign multiple values in Python variables. So like many values to multiple variables. Like Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. For example, just take some variable x, comma, y, comma, z. These are all the variable names. Let's give them a fruits name basically orange and banana and cherry. And if we are printing this, like print x, print x, y, z. So it is running. So this is basically we have just created many values to multiple variables. So in Python allows you to assign like values to multiple variables in one line basically, or we can use like another line to declaring a variable. So our next topic is about one value to multiple variables. First of all, starting this, there is one more important thing, like make sure the number of variables, make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. So make sure while creating, like be careful while creating these variables in one line. So let's move to our next topic, which says one value to multiple variables. And you can also assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. So you can say x is equals to y equal to z equal to orange, and print x comma y comma z. You can say, you can see this. So it's just saying like Python allow us to assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. So now our next topic is about unpack a collection. Basically, unpack a collection refers to like if you have a collection of values in a list, tuple, etc. Python allows us to extract the values into variables. Basically this concept is called unpacking. For example, let's first of all we are creating lists of fruits like apple, banana, and cherry, and one line variables x, y, z equal to fruits. And when we are printing this, print x and print y and then print z. And if we are running this, so we just unpack the collection, basically a list of fruits. So this is all for today. So if this video finds helpful for you, your concepts of Python variables is like clear. So do follow my page and like for more. Thanks for watching.